Numbers and numeration.
Extension of numbers up to 10,000.
In the previous class, we have learnt numbers up to 999.
Now we will learn 4-digit numbers.
Before moving further, let's take a quick review.
We know that 100 is the smallest 3-digit number and 999 is the greatest 3-digit number.
When we add 1 to the greatest 3-digit number, we get the smallest 4-digit number as 1000. We know that 10 hundreds make 1000.
Let's learn more 4-digit numbers. 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 2000. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 3000. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 4000.
Numbers on the abacus.
We know that 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, 9999. 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000.
Place value and face value. Value of different places. In order to write a 4-digit number, we need 4 places. Each place has a different value. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Face value. The face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself, wherever it may be placed. Example: write the face value of each digit in the number 3261. Solution: we know that the face value of any digit in a number is the digit itself. So, in the number 3261, the face value of 1 is 1. The face value of 6 is 6. The face value of 2 is 2. The face value of 3 is 3. Place value. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Example: arrange the numeral 2536 according to the place value table. Solution: the numeral 2536 can be written in place value chart as shown below. Write 2 in the thousands column. Write 5 in the hundreds column. Write 3 in the tens column. Write 6 in the ones column. Here, the place value of 6 is 6. The place value of 3 is 30. The place value of 5 is 500. The place value of 2 is 2000. Expanded form and short form. The sum of the place values of the digits of a numeral is called its expanded form. By expanding the numbers, we understand the value of each digit in the numeral. For example, the numeral 3425 can be expanded as 3000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 5, or 3000s plus 400s plus 2 tens plus 5 ones. Remember, when we write a number using digits, we call it short form or short notation. Comparison of numbers. A number having more digits is always greater. For example, compare 2314 and 789. Here, the numeral 2314 has 4 digits and the numeral 789 has 3 digits. So, 2314 is greater than 789. To compare numbers having equal digits, always begin with the leftmost place. If it is same, then compare the next place and so on. For example, compare 5436 and 5439. Here, thousands place, hundreds place and tens place are same. So, we compare ones place and we find that 6 is smaller than 9. So, 5436 is smaller than 5439. Ascending and descending order. When we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, the order is known as ascending order, and when we arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest, the order is known as descending order. Numerals 2312, 2321, 3212 and 3231 are in ascending order, and the numeral 3231, 3212, 2321, 2312 are in descending order. Successor and predecessor. The number just after the given number is its successor, and the number just before a given number is its predecessor. This is a different way of saying what comes after and what comes before. For example, successor of 245 is 245 plus 1 is equal to 246, and the predecessor of 245 is 245 minus 1 is equal to 244. Odd and even numbers. Odd numbers. If a number has 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place, it is odd. For example, 11, 23, 35, 47, 59, 61, 73, 85, 97, 109, 111 and 113 are odd numbers. Even numbers. If a number has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place, it is even. For example, 10, 24, 26, 28, 32, 44, 56, 68, 70, 82, 94 and 100 are even numbers. Let's learn more about even and odd numbers. A. The sum of two odd numbers is an even number. For example, 11 plus 13 is equal to 24. B. The sum of two even numbers is an even number. For example, 16 plus 18 is equal to 34. C. The sum of an odd number and an even number, for example, 11 plus 16 is equal to 27, is an odd number.
Estimation, rounding of numbers. To estimate means to make an approximate calculation. Rounding is one way to estimate. A number line can help us to round the numbers.
Rounding numbers to the nearest 10.
Round 62 and 68 to the nearest 10. 62 is closer to 60 than to 70. So, 62 is rounded down to 60. 68 is closer to 70 than to 60. So, 68 is rounded up to 70.
Rounding numbers to the nearest 100.
Round 125 and 186 to the nearest 100. 125 is closer to 100 than to 200. So, 125 is rounded down to 100. 186 is closer to 200 than 200. So, 186 is rounded up to 200.
Rounding numbers to the nearest 1000.
Round 2130 and 2670 to the nearest thousand. 2130 is closer to 2000 than to 3000. So, 2130 is rounded down to 2000. 2670 is closer to 3000 than to 2000. So, 2670 is rounded up to 3000.